Stop solving simultaneous equation using that long method that you have always been using. Here is a 10-second trick that WAEC examiners will not want you to know. Cross multiplication method of solving simultaneous equation. Let's say we have the simultaneous equations a1x plus b1y to be equal to c1, a2x plus b2y to be equal to c2. How do we get x? We multiply c1 by b2 minus we multiply b1 by c2. So over now we multiply a1 by b2 minus we now multiply a2 by b1. Now how do we get the value of y? To get the value of y, we multiply a1 by c2 minus we multiply a2 by c1, then over multiply a1 by b2, then minus we multiply a2 by b1. Let's solve some problems. Solve the simultaneous equations 4x minus 3y to be equal to 11. 5x plus 2y is equal to 14. Now x, we're going to multiply 11 by 2 minus multiply minus 3 by 24. Then over, we now multiply 4 by 2 minus, we now multiply 5 by minus 3. So 11 times 2 gives 22, minus times minus gives plus, 3 times 24 gives 72, over 4 times 2 gives 8, minus times minus gives plus, 5 times 3 gives 15. So 22 plus 72 gives 94, and 8 plus 15 gives 23. Therefore, x is equal to 94 over 23. Now that I've gotten the value of x, I can substitute the value of x into any of the equations to get the value of y. We're going to be using the second equation, 5x plus 2y equal to 24. So 5 into 94 over 23 plus 2y is equal to 24. We change everything to improper fractions, so we have 470 over 23 plus 2y to be equal to 24. We now move 470 over 23 to the other side of the equation and evaluate. So we have 2y to be equal to 82 over 23. To get the value of y, we divide both sides by 2, so y will be 41 over 23. So we've gotten x to be 94 over 23 and y to be 41 over 23. Let's go to the second question. Solve the simultaneous equations. 5x plus 6y is equal to minus 12. Minus 3x plus 4y is equal to 11. Now, how do we get the value of x? Minus 12 times 4 minus, now multiply 6 by 11 over, now multiply 5 by 4 minus, multiply minus 3 by 6. So, minus 12 times 4 gives minus 48. Then minus 6 times 11 gives 66. Over 5 times 4 gives 20. Minus times minus is plus, 3 times 6 is 18. Minus 48 minus 66 gives minus 114. 20 plus 18 gives 38. So x is equal to minus 114 over 3 over 38, which gives 3. Now that we have gotten the value of x, we can substitute the value of x into any of the equations to get the value of y. But in this case, I'm going to be using equation 1. 5x plus 6y is equal to minus 12. Since we've got minus 3 to be the value of x, 5 into minus 3 plus 6y gives minus 12. Open the bracket, minus 15 plus 6y gives minus 12. the next one I'm going to be doing is to move minus 15 to the other side of the equation. So 6y is equal to minus 12 plus 15. So 6y is equal to 3. So y is equal to 3 over 6. Reducing that to the lowest term gives 1 over 2. Therefore, y is equal to 1 over 2. So the value of x is minus 3 and the value of y is 1 over 2. Now try this question.